What's the best stateroom value aboard Disney's newest and most expensive ship? That would be the standard inside stateroom aboard the Disney Treasure. Hi, I'm Erin with Vacationeer, and today we're taking a look at the most affordable option on this new 7-night sailing. This cozy and thoughtfully designed retreat proves that even without an exterior view, Disney has found a way to bring the magic inside. Let's take a tour. Right away, you're surrounded by the magic of Disney storytelling. The vibrant artwork pays homage to some of your favorite animated Disney films and brings a bold splash of character to the space. In the interior rooms that we viewed on Deck 9, scenes from Encanto and Up were featured. This stateroom is all about functionality. As you enter, we've got a cozy seating area featuring a convertible couch that's going to be perfect for lounging after a long day of adventuring. You'll also find a flat screen TV with all of your cruising details, a vanity for getting ready for your next activity, and while the room may be smaller, the storage is mighty. You can easily store your luggage up under the bed and pack away your belongings in the floor-to-ceiling closet space. Keep all those valuables secure in the safe, and keep all those snacks and drinks cool in the mini refrigerator. One of my favorite features is the privacy curtain. It's a simple but thoughtful touch that lets you keep the spaces separated. This is perfect for families or anyone who needs just a little bit of quiet time. The sleeping arrangements are equally magical. You've got a plush queen-size bed and a couch that converts into a single sleeper. And if you're traveling with a group of 4, there's also an upper berth pull-down that stores away during the day. The standard interior stateroom includes a single bathroom with a shower tub combo, toilet, sink, and a large illuminated mirror. Traditionally, the standard inside stateroom will be the least expensive of the rooms offered. And while you may not have the natural light or the larger deluxe bathrooms, you will still receive all of the beautiful touches and the great service that Disney Cruise Line is known for. Don't forget that the Vacationeer offers onboard credit when you book your Disney Cruise Line vacation with us. Work with a personal Vacationeer travel advisor to start a quote by visiting vacationeer.com/YouTube. And if you're looking for additional stateroom tours, be sure to check out our other videos here. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again real soon.